In this video, I am going to break down how I turned $1,000 into over $4 million over the last 2.5 years in real estate without a license, without taking out any loans, any experience, nothing, starting from scratch. For those of you that have not seen my videos, what do I do? Well, I'm in real estate, but I specifically focus on empty pieces of land. I've tried Airbnb, I tried Section 8, flipping houses, wholesaling houses. After trying all of those and realizing they require way more money than these people tell you, and that they are a long, slow, painful game, I came across land flipping. You've probably heard of wholesaling houses. That's what I'm doing, except with empty land. So I'm just wholesaling pieces of land. I'm the middleman. I connect the buyer to the seller and I get paid in between. $5,000 to $20,000 per deal in my pocket, $0 invested into the deal. I find a piece of land, I get the contract on the property, and I flip that contract for a higher price. So if I get the property owner to agree to $100,000 and the property happens to be worth $120,000, I sign a separate contract with my buyer for $120,000 and I make the $20,000 in between. So I want to break down this entire model to you right now, the 5-step system that I follow, how you can get started following this exact system. So let's go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to break down exactly how you are going to start wholesaling vacant land today. Step number 1 to landing your first deal is locating hot markets. What do we need to do? We need to locate areas in the United States where the most land is being purchased every single day. So what we're looking for is hot markets, areas where there are pieces of land being purchased every single day and there's a ton of new houses being built. Because what we're doing is we're flipping these pieces of land to home builders. They cannot build a house without the empty land beneath it. So what we're doing is we're getting the contract on the land and we're bringing it to these builders. So we're looking for areas where a ton of land is being purchased every single day. And on top of that, homes are being built, right? If there's land being sold and there's builders building, that is the perfect combination for a hot market to do deals. So on this website right here, Zillow.com, Zillow will show us exactly where the hot markets are. So the first thing we're gonna do is mess with these filters up here at the top and put the correct filters in place. Filter number 1 is going to be sold, because again, we are looking where is land actually being purchased. We don't care if it is for sale, we want to see where are people actually buying. So filter number 1 is going to be sold, and then under property type right here, we are only going to select lots and land, because again, we're looking for land. What areas are the best for land? Once we click apply there, we're going to click more filters right here on the top right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I want you only to look at the last 90 days. We don't care about the last year, the last 2 years. We only want to look at the last 90 days and see right now, in today's day and age, in current time, what areas are the hottest when it comes to buying land and building houses. So once we have those filters in place, you'll scroll in a little bit here and you'll see all these yellow dots on the map, and every single yellow dot that you see, it represents a piece of land that someone has recently purchased. So what we're doing is obvious. We are looking for the areas that have the most yellow dots on the map. We want to find areas where there's consistent action, where it's clear that the market is hot. So all we're doing is we're scrolling through Zillow right here, and we want to find the areas that stand out. So the first one that stands out right here to me is in Southern California. I'll go ahead, I'll zoom in on that, and boom. This right here, this is what we're looking for. It is undeniable. Everywhere that you look, there's pieces of land being sold. So number 1 is we're looking for a hot market, okay? We can even, zoom in a bit more and pick a specific area or county here within Southern California to get started. So let's pick this area right here, which I believe is Victorville, California. Let's say that is our hot market that we want to target. Once we find a hot market, we want to verify there's actual builder activity. So here's what we're going to do. Really quick, we're going to switch our filters. Filter number 1 back to for sale. Filter number 2, property type. We're going to switch over to houses, okay? And lastly, more filters. You're going to scroll down just a little bit. Right here where it says year built, you're going to type in 2026. And what we're looking for now is we want to see, are there builders currently building? Is there brand new homes going up? And if there is, what does that mean? The builder is active. They're recently purchasing land and building houses, and that's what we want. So as we can see here in Victorville, California, there is more than enough new houses being built in 2026 to show us that this is a healthy market where deals are ready to be done. So now that we found a hot market, what I want you to do is actually call a couple of these builders ahead of time. So right here, you can see all these brand new houses. All you have to do is you click on it, you scroll down just a little bit on the listing, and right here is the builder's name and the builder's phone number. So you want to call the builder ahead of time before you go out there and start actually trying to find properties, because the builder will tell you what they're looking for. They will give you the direction that you need to not waste your time. So you'll call this builder, you'll say, hey, I see you're a builder here in Victorville, California. I'm currently looking to work with you and bring some empty pieces of land your way. I was curious if there's anything specific that you're looking for. And they'll tell you what they're looking for. Hey, yeah, I'm looking for lots around 10,000 square feet and I want to be at $60,000 or less. So now you know they're looking for 10,000 square foot lots, $60,000 or less in Victorville, California. Now you have to go out there and get it. So what we're going to do is we are going to get a list of every single empty piece of land in Victorville, California. So what we are going to do for that is we're going to head over to this website called Propstream.com. So now that we're here on Propstream.com, this is just a real estate data website where you can essentially get a list of every single property in any given area. So as you can see, I have Victorville, California typed in right here. We're gonna click on it. It'll bring us to that same exact market that we were looking at earlier. This is the market that we chose. Now what we are going to do is we're gonna get a list of every single empty piece of land in Victorville, California. You have a couple filters here that you're gonna go ahead and put in place to build the best possible list. Remember, we wanna speak to landowners that purchased the property a long time ago back in the day. They got it for cheap. They have been paying property taxes on it every single year. It's empty, it's sitting there, it's not doing anything for them. They forgot that they even own it. These are the properties that we want to target. So you're going to click filters here at the top middle of my screen. The first category is going to be property details. Under property classifications right here, you'll go ahead and select vacant land. Once you select vacant land, you want to filter specifically for residential. Residential zoning is exactly what these builders are looking for to build a single family home on. Once you have that filter in place, remember our builder wants lots around 10,000 square feet. So under the lot size filters here, we'll do 8,000 to 12,000 square feet. Next, we will go ahead and we will click MLS right here on the left. Once you click on MLS, right here on or off market, we are going to select off market. What does that mean? The property is not on the market for the entire world to see. These properties are off market. The builder cannot see them, only you can see them, and that is your advantage. So none of these properties are listed publicly online for sale for everyone to compete against. This is your list right here that you're going to attack, and that's your advantage. Once you select off market, we are going to head over to this last category, owner information. For years of ownership, I typically like to do the last 5 years, usually 10 years, just depending on the list size. Let's go ahead and do the last 10 years. Now that we have the years of ownership filter in place, 10 years minimum, we have 548 pieces of land in our list. Why 10 years of ownership? Well, these are all people that purchased this piece of land 10 years ago or longer. So they could have owned it for 10, 20, 30 years, etc. These are people that got it for cheap. They're not doing anything with the land. It is still empty. It's sitting there. It's not making them any money. They're paying taxes on it. It's doing nothing for them. So these are the people we want to speak to because they're actually willing to sell and they want some quick cash just to get it off their hands. You reach out to them, you put the idea of selling and quick cash in their head, and you will make some money. So now that we have our list in place, you're gonna click View 548 Properties, and we're gonna go ahead and save that list to our computer. Now, I'm not gonna save that list to my computer right now. Obviously, I'm not attacking this area, but that's what you would do. You would save it and download it to your computer, and you'll have a file with all 548 properties. Now that we have our list from Propstream.com, 548 empty pieces of land, we're not calling these people. We're gonna use this website right here, Replysmart.ai, and Replysmart will allow you to message every single one of those people in that list with the click of a button. Now, Replysmart also has skip tracing being added to the platform. If you don't know what skip tracing is, essentially skip tracing gives you the owner's phone number. So that list we got from Propstream, it's just a list of every single property with the owner's address and name. We're still missing the owner's phone number. So on Replysmart, you can actually skip trace that list, get everyone's phone number, and then you can message every single person in that list asking if they're interested in selling. Another video, another time, I'll do a full walkthrough of Replysmart, but this website, this software right here is essentially where I have made all my money. So Replysmart.ai, absolutely crazy. This is where it's at. So this is my secret, essentially. Instead of cold calling all day, every day, sending out mailers, messaging these people one by one, I click one button on Replysmart, everything is sent. So now we just reached out to 548 landowners in Victorville, California. Hey, are you interested in selling your piece of land in Victorville, California? We'll have a handful of people respond, usually about 10%. So let's say we have 55 people respond. Yeah, I'm interested, what's your offer? So here's where you're gonna negotiate. And remember, we're going back to the first step where our builder already told us what price they would be willing to pay. So our builder told us what they would pay, correct? We know our builder is willing to pay $60,000 for a 10,000 give or take square foot lot in Victorville, California. So what we are going to do is offer every single person on Replysmart in our list $50,000 for their land in Victorville, California. Now, we get the seller at $50,000. They sign a one-page contract. We will sign a separate contract with the buyer at $60,000, and you make the $10,000 in between. That is wholesale real estate 101. It's been around literally forever, but most people are doing it with houses. I, on the other hand, am focused on empty pieces of land because that's where the money's at. It's less saturated, there's less competition, there's more money to be made. It is just you chasing these properties, and it is endless opportunity. Land is valuable. You cannot create more land. You can build more houses, more schools, more hospitals, buildings, etc. You can't build more land. So we message all these people. We are going to offer every person $50,000 in that list. Obviously, not everyone is going to agree, or you would make $100,000 overnight, but you'll usually get one or two sellers that will agree to your price. So boom, you sign a contract with the seller for $50,000, another contract with your buyer for $60,000. Both these contracts here, this contract with the seller allows you to legally transfer it to your buyer for a higher price. So you sign a separate contract with your buyer for $60,000. Neither party can go around you. You take both those contracts, you send them to a real estate title company. If you don't know what a title company is, basically it is like a real estate cashier. The title company will take both those contracts. They will go ahead and process the transaction. The seller will get their $50,000 from the buyer. You'll get your $10,000 from the buyer, and the buyer will get the property. Everyone's happy, everyone wins. It is easy, simple. Those are the steps right there. Now, obviously you need to gain some experience. There will be a learning curve, things that pop up that you won't know how to deal with. That's just how it goes, right? It took me about 6 to 8 months to really figure this out here and get consistent. Now, the good news is I already have it figured out, right? I'm closing 30 to 40 deals every single month. I have the system. I know the system like the back of my hand. I have taught it to hundreds of people and proven time and time again how effective it is. Even if you're only closing 2 to 3 deals every single month, I mean, you're making over 6 figures per year. I close 30 to 40 deals every single month. I can show you how to close a few. When you're following this system I've created, things will come up along the way. You need to know how to handle them. So what I'll do is I'll allow you to book a direct call with me and my team to talk about partnering and walking you through the entire process. We'll get to know each other. We'll talk about your experience, where you're at right now, and how we're going to get you to where you want to be. Whether you're a beginner, whether you're an expert, I can completely change the game for you with this model right here. Land flipping is slowly taking over 2026. There is no better real estate model out there that is more appealing, that makes more sense logistically, and in every aspect. There's just nothing that beats it. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. Hopefully it broke down the process good enough to you. Yes, I understand there's still some blanks that you have to fill in. Again, book a call. I'm here to help. If it's a good fit, we'll talk about how you can move forward and work with me directly. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see in the next video. I'll probably do a Replysmart walkthrough breaking down the best platform in the world. See you guys soon.